With summer just around the corner, I decided to create this makeup look, which is a pretty soft, nice, golden, very melanin friendly makeup look. If you want to see how I achieved this soft glam look, stay tuned and keep watching. I'm gonna be doing my brows first, and I'm actually gonna do my brows on camera for this video. I'm gonna be using the Aina palette. I'm gonna just tell y'all the shades right now because I am pretty predictable when it comes to this palette. I'm gonna be using Edges, Ginger, and then I'm gonna go into Credit. So this is gonna be my transition shade. Next, I'm gonna be going into Edges. Next, I'm going to take that same Real Techniques base shadow brush and I'm going to go in with Credit. So to blend out any harsh lines, I'm going to go back in with Edges. Taking some of this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm using light medium honey, and I'm just going to pat some of this product on my lid. It's a little bit softer than a cut crease, but it's basically the same thing if I really want to be real with y'all. When I do this technique, I like to blend out the edges so it's more natural. Once I have that blended out, I'm actually going to go in on my lid and I'm going to use the shade Soleil. Go back into that palette and I'm going to take Credit, smoke out the back end, and I'm going to drag that up furthermore into my crease. Going into the Juvias Place Chocolates palette, I'm going to go into the darkest brown shadow, which is this one. I'm using the same Real Techniques base shadow brush, and I'm just going to add that into the back end. I'm going to drag that over into my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with Credit and I'm gonna smoke out my lash line. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and of course I'm using the NYX Pore Filler Primer, and I love this primer. I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Bakerie Flower, and this is in the shade Cacao. And I'm just gonna use the butt of my beauty sponge, and I'm using a Real Techniques beauty sponge. It's going to set my primer. And I should have done this before I set my primer, and I'm going to conceal the top of my brows. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with the I Am Magic foundation, and I'm going to be using the shade Molly. I know some people probably see me do that, or they see people do that, either spray under or I would spray on top, and that's just to make sure that it hits my face and it kind of avoids my eyes. So now I'm taking the same J5 concealer that I used to conceal the top of my brows, and I'm going to use that underneath my eyes. This is just a new trick that I have learned over the past few months. Before I come on here on YouTube and just start showing you guys stuff, I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the best advice that I can, especially for women of darker skin tones, because it be hard out here. When it comes to concealer, I find it most effective to let the concealer sit for a little bit, and this just makes sure that your concealer thickens up. You don't want no weak concealer on your face. You want a concealer that's really gonna buck up and play security and guard those bags. Like, what? You know what? Like, I don't know if y'all know, but kettle corn is the shit. Kettle corn is better than regular popcorn. I don't care what you say, fight me. So now I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm going to be going in with the same Juvia's Place concealer, but I'm going to be using the shade number 6, and I'm going to add that to highlight my under eyes. Now I'm going to be taking the I Am Magic concealer again, and I'm going to be using the shade number 1 to contour my face. I'm going to be using the loose setting powder from Black Radiance Beauty, and I'm going to be using the shade Honeymoon. So if you know, you know, I love using the IMV 3D lashes, and I'm going to be using these lashes today. Period poo. I'm going to be going back into the Chocolates palette to contour. Just gonna comb through my brows, and this is what I believe really sets my brows in place. Like when I do this, my brows, like, they don't move. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Oma Beauty's Barbados highlighter. I showed this highlighter in my last tutorial, and it is bomb. If you haven't copped yet, figure it out and get your life, because this highlighter is everything. Definitely a summer staple. For the final step, I'm gonna line my lips. I got some new glosses and I feel like being fancy or whatever. I'm gonna go in with this matte liquid lip. I'm just gonna blend that in, and now I'm gonna go in with this NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Fortune Cookie. I'm gonna take Soleil. And we are done. For summer 2020, I really want to focus on golden makeup, very glowy makeup, very nice, soft, very girly. I even decided to tone down my lashes, y'all. Like, y'all know how I feel about my lashes. If you know, then you know. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you like this video, then give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your homegirls. Practice some makeup during quarantine. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a post from me. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.